Hello, boys and girls. It's Mr. Grable in our grade 3 math class. Today, we're going to do a strategy that you can choose to use, or you can continue to choose to use your own strategy that works for you. Now, I tend to use the borrowing strategy for subtraction all the time. You know how I don't really like it when they're horizontal. I make them all vertical and I borrow. And if you like that one, use that one. If you have a different one, use that one. Make sure it works for you. Okay, so this one you might like and you might want to use, or you might already use, but I just wanted to let you know that you don't have to know all the strategies, but you have to know one that works for you. So here we go on page 54. You know how I always tell you there's, I can't see that there, 5 10s and 4 1s, and it is from Unit 3, Lesson 10. Ooh, going through this lesson. And page 54. Now, using mental math to subtract. Now, some of us might already do that, and some of us might want to try it. If you don't, that's okay. Use a friendly number with a 0 in the ones place. That's the one we're going to learn today. Okay, so our first question, of course, says 73 take away 36. Okay, so you have 73 take away 36. Now, normally what I would do is I would put it under here and I would have to borrow because, see if I put it there, 36, and I'd have to borrow because that doesn't work. So let's try a little different strategy. Now, what we're saying is we want to change it again to go 73, but now we're going to take away, instead of 36, what's an easy number to make that? We'll round it up to 40, and we know we're adding on 4. So if we round that up to 40, then it makes it really easy. It's obviously 33. Okay, now the thing is the answer is not 33. It's 33 plus 4, but we can usually figure that out. So actually the answer is 37. Okay, now let's see with my borrowing strategy if that works. Let's borrow there's from the 6. That turns into 13. And yes, that's I got the cough today. And 6 take away 3 is, oh, look at that. Oh, so it doesn't really matter which way you do it, as long as you got 37, because that is the difference. Okay, so let's try this friendly number strategy here again. 1a, 72 take away 29. So let's just go with 72 take away 30. That'll make it easy. Then I just have to add on one more, right? Because I added on 1 to get to the 30. So that's obviously 2, and that's 4. I'll add 1 on, and I'm pretty sure we can tell that's 43. Okay, there we go. Let's try B, just in case you weren't sure. So again, it's this one that we want to bump up. So 68 plus, or subtract 40, 8, and 2. But we have to add on 1 because we did have 40, so plus 1 more is 29. Okay, so that's how it's working. Now let's try some little bit trickier ones here on B. They've made them nice and vertical for me, but what I want you to try and do is go 51 subtract 40. Okay, and I added on 4 again. Okay, but we know this is 11, so that makes it pretty easy. Plus 4, so that's 15. Okay, and this one might even be a little trickier because, boy, 64. So you still get your 92, and you're going to subtract 70 this time. Or you could go down to 60. I suppose we could. Well, I think we've been doing the adding, so let's keep it at 70. So we're going to have to get 6 more here. So 2 and 2, but it's not 22, it's 6 more than that. So 6 more than 22 is 28. So there you go. So this one, if you're going to choose this strategy, boys and girls, please make sure you show your work. Otherwise, we won't know if you really know what you're doing. As you should always show your work. Even when I change mine from going horizontal to vertical, I show my work just in case I make a mistake, like I did in some of the other videos. Check them out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.